Alright, what's up folks? This is Cooking with the Jacobs. And today, what I got going down today, I'm about to break down I'm finna hook up some baked chicken the way I like to cook it. I'm using some Tony Satchery, got me some onion powder, some garlic powder, I'm gonna drop some Italian seasoning on there, and some oregano. I was about to show you what to do. I do my baked chicken a little different. I like my skin crispy, and I like that seasoning to be just right on there. Somebody asked about it, and so I'm finna give y'all a breakdown. I'll be back. All right, so the first thing you want to do is, depending on what type of chicken you're going to use. Today I got some leg quarters, and I chopped them up, and I'm about to use these leg quarters. This can go good with any part of the chicken that you decide to use. Normally I'm doing wings or something like that, but today is leg quarters, the drums, and the other part of the meat. So first thing you want to do is season up your meat. I have to just look at what I'm doing because I can't really tell you how much I'm putting on here. I never could, so I'm just gonna show it to you the best way I know how, which is to do it. And we're gonna take it from there. Hopefully the seasoning don't have me sneezing all crazy around here. Alright, as y'all can see, I got it seasoned up pretty good with the Tony Satchery. I do not use seasoned salt. I've always used Tony Satchery. So if you are using a seasoned salt, just be careful with it because you don't want it to get too salty. So with this Tony Satchery, it'll actually get a little more spicy with the more seasoning that you put on there. But as you can see, you see how I got it with the color of the red of it. Because the key to this is your seasoning that you putting on this meat. So kind of straighten that out. All right, this is garlic powder. Yeah, I had to pause for the cause because Tony Satchery will make me, it'll get up in my nose. All right, and you know, put a lot of garlic powder on there. Y'all see how much I'm sprinkling on there. This is part of the flavor, the taste of the meat. I don't know what it does. It does something to it. It really brings it out. All right, I'm gonna come back with some onion powder now. All right, it's that onion powder, and this is gonna bake for at least an hour or two. Excuse me. Yeah, at least an hour or two, because the skin has to come out crispy, like almost like fried chicken, like you don't put it in the air fryer or something. Chicken, the skin gotta be crispy. All right, that should be good with the onion powder. All right, next thing is, this is Italian seasoning. Put your little something on there. Yeah, this is gonna cook on. I got my stove set at my oven is set on 375. Sometimes I do this at 350. You could do it at 400 too. I may turn it up to 400 and then end up turning it down. So I want to make sure it's you know, it's cooked, you know, and I get that crust on the outside of it like I'm looking for. If it's not crispy, it ain't right. If you are doing this at home, bake it till the skin is gonna get crispy. It's gonna be looking nice and brown, almost like you done air fried it, but you done did it in the oven. All right. So now, the only thing left to do is position your meat. Make sure you got the skin side up. And we're gonna get this in the oven. I have my oven set on 375. So we're about to put this in the oven. I'll probably be back in maybe like 45 minutes, because once the house get to smelling, like you can smell it cooking, that means it's doing something. So I may be back in 45 minutes. Right now my time is it's 6:36 p.m. and I'll be back. All right, oven on 375. I got my chicken in there just to show y'all that I got it in there, let y'all see what it's doing. All right, this is the beginning stage, cooking with the Jacobs. All right, people, it's about 7:38. This is what what my chicken looking like. You know, it's not quite there. We're gonna let it roll a little more, and probably about another 30 minutes, 40 minutes. We'll see what it do. It's not quite there, not quite there. It need to be a little more crispier than that, but that's that baked chicken life. All right, folks, I'm back. It's like 8:12, so it's been in there close to 2 hours, like maybe about an hour and 45 minutes. But this is my baked chicken. See how it's nice, it's crunchy, and see how you go over here to the leg, it's crunchy. You know what I'm saying? Look like you know, when you bite off into it, it's gonna be crunchy like eating fried chicken with no flour on it. You know, and this is straight out the oven. This is not no rotisserie chicken. And of course, like I said, I put a Tony Chachere, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and Italian seasoning on this. And just look at the video, because it's all about how much seasoning you put on your food and how long you let it cook in the oven to get it like this, if you're trying to get this flavor that I'm looking for. I'll be back to show you put it on a plate, and I'm gonna kind of cut through it so you can see. All right, people, I done put it on the plate just to kind of give you an idea. Cut through this thing. See how I look on the inside, but see how that crust. See how that crust is just crunchy. That's what I be going for when I bake my baked chicken. So this is you know, if you like a crunchy baked chicken, nicely seasoned, this is it. Cooking with the Jacobs. It's very simple, very easy. Holla back at y'all. Peace.